Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I love this weather.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching English movies. What about you?
I enjoy playing football and listening to music.
That sounds fun. Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I do. They help me improve my English.
I also want to improve my English speaking. Sometimes, I feel shy.
Don't worry. Making mistakes is part of learning.
You are right. Do you practice speaking every day?
I try to. I speak with my friends and sometimes record my voice.
Oh, recording your voice is a good idea. I will try that too.
Hey, we can practice together.
Really? That would be great.
Sure. Let's meet 3 times a week and speak only English.
Perfect. This will help us learn faster.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Thank you. I feel more confident already.
You're welcome. Let's start right now.